Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to sign up for Fiverr affiliate program. Are you looking to monetize your influence and earn commission by referring users to Fiverr? Then joining the affiliate program is the way to go. Here is how you can sign up for Fiverr affiliate program. So go to the browser and search for Fiverr. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are here on your dashboard, go to the footer menu, and here in community section, you will find this option of invite friend. Click on it. A screen like this will appear. Scroll down. You can see here it says, are you looking to boost your earnings and become a Fiverr affiliate? So click on this affiliate program. And with that, you will land on Fiverr affiliate page. Now what you have to do is click on join now button to begin the registration process. And you will be directed to this page where you will need to provide some basic information about yourself. So here enter your first name, last name, email address, username. After that, choose account type and fill out the rest of the form. And then click on next. Here Fiverr will ask you a couple of questions that how you plan to improve Fiverr services and what's the interest of your audience. So answer these questions. Before proceeding, make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions of Fiverr affiliate program and check the box to indicate your agreement. And with that, you have successfully signed up for Fiverr affiliate program. By following these steps and signing up for Fiverr affiliate program, you can start earning commissions by referring users to Fiverr's platform. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.